one tune I wrote while in Quila Quina and walk us through how you crafted it, what it was like, and how you hope people will experience it. Pick one tune? Okay. The primary ethos of the Atlas of Sound project is listening to a place. The experience was wild. I would like people to approach my music, I guess, with the freedom of their own self-expression intact. Atlas of Sound is an ongoing project, and the Quila Quina edition that you're hearing right now is, the whole thing is a set, so they all balance each other out, and there's some themes that come back in different songs. They're all connected, all the pieces are connected to each other in some way. What I hope that you get from it as a listener is what I got from it when I was writing it. The same, just some moments of clarity and the beauty and the peace that can bring, even in tumultuous times.